everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to get rid of static from carpet. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'll be going over 4 easy things that you can do to get rid of static from your carpet. And the greatest thing about these things is that they are long lasting. So you're only gonna have to do them once and they're gonna last for a while. Let's get right into the video. Number 1 is to get a spray bottle, okay? And in that spray bottle, you wanna put a mixture of fabric softener and water. So you want to get just a little bit of fabric softener. So basically a common mixture that people use, a common proportionate mixture, is 1 part liquid fabric softener and 5 parts water, okay? And you want to just mix it up. And you can obviously make whatever volume of it you want. And you can probably work with those proportions a little bit, change them up a little bit. But for the most part, you want a lot of water and a little bit of liquid fabric softener. And then you just want to spray it on the carpet, just spritz it on the carpet. This is going to accomplish 2 things. Number 1, it's going to remove the static from the carpet and hopefully discharge it quite a bit. And number 2, it's going to make the carpet smell better too, which is even better. It's going to allow it to do 2 things. Very simple and straightforward. And it's something that you can do and let it dry. So spray it, let it dry, and then come back later and hopefully there will be much less static. This works wonders for a lot of people, depending on the size of the carpet and the thickness of the carpet, but definitely worth giving it a try, especially because you probably have fabric softener anyways that you might use. So you could just try it out, okay? Number 2 is to rub the carpet with a dryer sheet. So you want to literally take a dryer sheet and just rub it along the carpet. It doesn't have to be a hard rub, it can just be like a graze like that, a glaze. I don't know what I would call this, but just a little rub like that along the entire surface area of the carpet. Now, dryer sheets are meant to enhance the smell of clothing in the dryer, but also they're meant to discharge clothing from static. So it will do the same thing with your carpet. So with that being said, take your dryer sheet and just rub it along the surface area of the carpet. That's it. And then you can probably still use this dryer sheet again in the future. It's not like it goes bad by doing that. So if you use it, put it to the side, and then the next time that you have static on your carpet, use it again, the same dryer sheet. So it's not even a waste because you can still use it again in the future. It doesn't go bad, like by using it just for that one use. Okay, number 3, increase the overall humidity of your home. Now, most likely your furnace has, or your HVAC system has a built-in humidifier, and you probably can adjust the humidity level, okay? Now, dryness in the air causes static to occur. So if you're having a static problem on your carpet, chances are the air around that carpet at least is pretty dry, and most likely in your entire house. So just increase slightly the humidity level. We're not talking about a massive increase. We're talking about a tiny little increase of humidity level, upping it, just for temporarily, basically, until the air moistens up, essentially. So, just increase the overall humidity level. If you don't have a humidifier in your HVAC system, you might want to buy an external one and use it to also gauge the humidity level of that room. Maybe that room is dry for some reason. So look into it, because it usually means that there's dry air. Last but not least is number 4, which is to rub the carpet with something metal. Now, a common metal thing that you might have or in your closet is like a metal coat hanger. Whether it's fully metal or just metal like this, just take it and just rub it. And what that's going to do is that's going to discharge the carpet. So just take it and rub the entire carpet with that metal piece. That will discharge it. Now, this option with the metal coat hanger rubbing the carpet is the most short-term option. It's the one that lasts the shortest term. Increasing the humidity level is the longest term option. And these 2 options, the dryer sheet and the spray, are more medium term. So always keep that in mind. If you want a quick, fast, short-term fix, get the coat hanger, rub it along there. If you want a little bit of a medium length fix, the dryer sheet or the spray will work, depending on your preference. And if you want a longer fix, then the humidity level increasing will definitely have a longer effect on it. So that's basically it. I've shown you 4 different ways: the spray, the dryer sheet, the humidity level, and then the coat hanger metal thing rubbing on the carpet. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.